Good morning, student. In GK, today I am going to start chapter number 15, lesson 15 as Royal Palaces and Forts. Royal Palaces and Forts. Dear student, as you know, you have also studied as social science, you know some history also, that in old days the kings lived in a royal palaces. They used to live the royal palaces and forts. For the defending system, as to develop the defense, they always lived in forts, and palaces also was built the ground of the fort, inside the fort. So some palaces are very famous in the world. So today I am telling about some royal palaces and forts. You can see first page number 22. You can open page number 22 and can see Palace of Versailles in France. So it is also very famous in France because in history the kings were ruling there. So they built this type of palace, Palace of Versailles in France. It is very famous in the world. And next, Isconbron Palace in Italy. Isconbron Palace, it is also very famous. It is located in Italy. The kings in old days, they built this palace. In India, you can see it is given City Palace in Jaipur. You know the state Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, one place is Jaipur. So in Jaipur, City Palace is there in Jaipur. Next, Alhambra Palace in Spain. If you visit Spain, the country is Spain, it is European country. So there is also a famous palace, Alhambra. Alhambra, it is very famous in the world. And also you can find out some merits, some qualities from the net and from other resources. You can also find out. You know, it is very famous Buckingham Palace in UK, United Kingdom, means Britain. This palace is very famous in Britain and in the worldwide. Buckingham Palace. In the Buckingham Palace, from the old days, the kings and queens, they were living there, and it was the sweet home for the kings. Next palace, as in the form of fort, Mahendragarh Fort in Jodhpur. Jodhpur also in Rajasthan. So in Jodhpur, there is very famous fort, Mahendragarh Fort. In their fort, there is a big palace where the king was living and he was ruling from there. Next, Samak Palace in China. The Samak Palace is very famous in the worldwide. It is located in China. It is also related to history. Next class, Chittorgarh Fort in Chittor. In Chittor also, the great fort, Chittorgarh Fort. Chittorgarh Fort, in old days in India, there were the great warriors as a king. Means the kings were great warriors. They fought against the enemy, the foreign attackers, and they got win. Means they were winner in that battle, that war. So in this way, you can study in chapter 15 the royal palaces and forts in the different ways, and you can learn like this. I am making question answer. Where the Palace of Versailles located? So answer will be in France. Where the Palace of Isconbron located? So it is located in Italy. Where the City Palace is located in India? Answer, Jaipur. So like this you make the question, and from this given topic, palace, you find out answer. So for today's class, thank you student.